Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. Timebai Tea just sent me this beautiful box of tea. We're gonna pop it open and have a look. I have my friends coming over tomorrow. We're gonna give it a try, but today, let's just have a peek inside the box. Now, I do a fair bit of research before accepting product reviews on my channel, and Timebai Tea impressed me. The amount of care that goes into what ends up in your cup is impressive. They focus on using simple, high-quality ingredients without loading their teas up with artificial flavorings. So you're actually tasting the tea, not a bunch of additives. Now, every tea is fully traceable back to where it was grown and harvested, which is something I actually really appreciate. Now, even the tea bags are thoughtfully designed. They're made from plant-based material. They contain no glue or staples. They're completely microplastic-free, and they're backyard compostable. Now, it's nice to see a company thinking not only about the tea itself, but also about the impact on the environment. Now, I have never seen anything like these UFO Drip Teas. That's what we'll be trying out with my friends when they arrive. This variety pack contains so many different flavors. I'm gonna let them choose their flavor and we'll give them a try. All right, they've arrived. We are here for our second tea party. Are you ready, girls?
Ready.
Okay, I got this tea from a company called Timebai. It's from Hong Kong. And I thought it was really interesting, and I think you're gonna really like this. This is a UFO Drip Tea. It's each tea for each individual person comes in a pouch like this. Cool. Yeah, they're so cool. And so it's like a UFO, and then, well, actually, I've never even opened one of these to actually see how it works. So let's choose our tea because they're all different. So
Okay.
go ahead and go through the box and see which one you want to try out. So we're all gonna have a different tea.
What did you pick?
I chose the vanilla sweet berry flavored oolong tea.
Okay, that was in my head.
Did
So
you
I'll
want to
have
try
a
that
sip.
one?
No, I'm gonna have a sip of yours.
Okay.
I don't.
And what is yours?
Mine's just a black tea.
Okay.
Velvet cocoa.
Velvet cocoa. That's
I'm
gonna be
gonna-
interesting.
I'm gonna try that one.
Okay. Okay, let's open them all together. Ready?
Ooh, that's
Oh, interesting.
Oh,
Okay.
it smells good.
So mine again is the vanilla sweet berry flavored
velvet
oolong.
cocoa. It's just.
Yours is just black tea.
So then they go
Oh
away.
yeah, that's nice.
Probably.
Yes, they do, but I think we
Have to
take
take
this
the lid
top
off.
lid off. Okay, and it opens it right up.
Oh.
Now, can you imagine this would be perfect for camping or like on holidays or
it's-
something where you
it's
want
like
to
your
lose?
instant.
That is so cool.
Now, did you know that black tea, green tea, white tea, and oolong all come from the same plant? It's called the Camellia sinensis. What makes them look and taste so different is how the leaves are harvested and processed. It's quite amazing that one plant can produce such a wide variety of flavors.
So what kind of treats we get today?
Oh, okay. These are really interesting. I brought them all the way from Japan. They're called castella. Would you like to try them?
Mm-hmm. Sure. What is in them?
I don't know. I think they sound like an Italian type of treat.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
They're from 7-Eleven.
Tastes like an Italian kind of
They're
Pastry.
delicious.
almost
aren't
like a biscotti, but not hard.
they? Yeah, and like egg white type of,
Mhm.
like a meringue.
Like a
type of
meringue,
thing.
but
Yeah,
a little
little
more
combination.
substance.
Yeah. And we loved these when we were in Japan. We ate them all the time, and we literally got them from 7-Eleven.
Tasty little treat.
Mm-hmm.
I think yours is ready.
These
Wow.
are cute mugs, Christina. Where'd you get them?
Those are actually Itala's mugs, and they're from Finland. And you're gonna wait a minute?
I'm gonna wait another minute.
Okay, I think I'm gonna take mine.
Do you want me to take yours out? or-
Sure. And so we use the little lid as a place to put our tea bag. So clever.
So mine was the vanilla sweet berry flavored oolong. I can definitely
goodness.
smell like vanilla and berry. Yeah, it's very nice smell. It's very good. It's and oolong has a little bit of a dryness to the end of it. And I taste that sort of dryness, but it's a very nice flavor.
Okay, I'm gonna try. I got the chocolate.
You got the
black
chocolate.
tea. I mean, the more chocolate you can have, the better.
Yeah.
Right? It smells like chocolate, or maybe it's cocoa, but same thing. Oh, velvet cocoa. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
It's yummy.
So if you added milk to that, would that have
I think I need milk.
a feeling of chocolate? Like, okay, I'm gonna get you some milk.
I think milk would even make it better. Oh yeah, that's even better. It's nice.
Does it taste
It's
like
really,
hot chocolate
it's
now?
really smooth like milk chocolate.
Oh, nice. I think
Yeah.
it tastes like when I have a cup of hot chocolate, it's too much chocolate for me. It's
it's
too
just,
much
yeah, too
sweetness
much.
and everything. But sometimes I want that hot chocolate flavor.
Yeah, that gives
In a
it to
tea.
you.
So that was
This
really
would be
good.
nice for dipping a little biscotti. Or
Oh.
what are they? Castella.
Castella.
Yeah, and this one is actually better once it's a little bit stronger.
Okay, and you've always liked really strong tea.
I do, but I prefer black tea. over
Right.
Green.
Yeah.
But
This reminds me of Christmas.
Yeah. Yeah, that cozy, snowing out
Hot
feeling.
cocoa.
Yeah. And this reminds me of summer.
Yeah.
that actually might be nice iced.
Yes, I agree. I agree. Thanks, girls.
Yeah, it was
Thanks
fun.
for having us again. Fun to do another tasting.
Yep. I'll taste tea any day.
Well, that wraps up another tea tasting with my friends. We really love the UFO Drip Teas. Timebai also offers tea in bags and loose leaf. They also have some beautiful teaware for you to check out. Now, I'll add a link in the description below. Use my code TinaGirlLife for 20% off site-wide. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life. Here are some videos you might enjoy watching next.